All right, welcome back to the Hill. So Ivanka Trump took the stand today in her father's civil fraud trial in New York. Her testimony follows her father's on Monday and then the testimony from her two brothers last week. Let's bring in NewsNation legal contributor Jesse Weber. Jesse, hello. You've been following this from the beginning. Ivanka Trump at the end here. What'd she say today and what comes next?
Well, she was definitely less of a hostile witness than we saw with her father and brothers. Look, what we found out is that she was definitely involved in the securing of these loans and the financing for these assets that are in question. But like she said, like her brother said, she wasn't involved in the preparation of these financial statements that the judge said were fraudulent. She wasn't involved in the asset valuations. There were numerous times during the course of her testimony when she said, "I don't recall." There wasn't this kind of intense, damaging testimony to her father that's going to help James's case. But as James said, after the conclusion of Ivanka Trump's testimony, it's going to be up to the judge to determine if she's credible. Is she telling the truth? That's what it's going to be. Is she protecting her father, or did she legitimately not have a part in these documents and maybe didn't remember?
I guess the bottom line here, one of the bottom lines is Donald Trump about to write a massive 9-figure check? And if so, when does that come?
The when is important. So do I think he's going to lose? Yes. This is going to get tied up in an appeal, right? So he's going to immediately appeal this. And if he does, the first thing I think he's going to ask for is whatever the judge's decision is. Let's say it's to dissolve the businesses or to put it in receivership. Halt that from happening while the appeal is pending, meaning just conduct business as normal. He's going to definitely try to do that. He may not feel the impact of this immediately if he immediately appeals this and tries to fight it in the courts.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.